All right, this is my brush. And they slide into these slots right here and right on this side. And the pins plug in to those copper or brass terminals. And this spring holds it in and pushes it against the commutator. As you can see, I took them both out already, but that's broken. It should be much longer. And it fell off inside there, out of the way. So as you can see, this is the part from Toyota to fix this. Unfortunately, they don't sell just the brushes and you have to buy the whole assembly. It's pretty expensive, about $360 for the part. If it's on sale, it might be a little bit less. Either way, I was able to find these brushes on Amazon for about $9. I only need 2 and it came with 4. They weren't an exact fit, but I was able to sand them down, as you'll see here, to fit close enough, and you'll see how it goes. Here I cut the terminals off of the old brushes, and then I'm soldering on the new sanded brushes to the existing terminal, so it'll fit up nicely. Not enough clearance. I gotta shave more. So this operation shows how the spring-loaded mechanism works. You can see I'm pressing in the brush and showing how the spring actuates. You shouldn't install the spring until after the commutators are in place, and you'll see I learned that here because it forces the brushes against the commutator, and that doesn't allow you to push the commutator down into the slot that it sits in. So here you see the brushes are uninstalled and the commutator is in place now. I'll be putting the brushes back in so that they make contact with the copper on the commutator and there is enough room for the spring to clear also. And this obviously happens on both sides. So as you could see in that last clip, the back window, as it comes from the factory, stops about halfway up, and then you have to press the button again to get it to go all the way to the top. If you disengage this plug, and I'm tying it up here close, that stop goes away. I imagine that's for security or safety, just so you don't have anything stuck in the window and it would close up on it and either break the window or break the mechanism or break whatever you have in there. But I disengaged mine. And as you can see here, it'll now go up without any stops. Sorry I didn't get the disassembly in the beginning of the video, but it's just the reverse of the reassembly, which starts here. All right, these are a little special. So when you pull them out, you really just need to pull this outer edge of the tab because it separates like this. Here's an expanded one. And this collapse looks like that. So when you pull, don't put your fingers under it, just pull from the outside and out. Here it is all put back together, working flawlessly. Hope this helps somebody.